Meet the Vacuum CNC system, the smarter, faster way to clamp your workpieces, designed for performance, flexibility, and simplicity. Each vacuum cup consists of two parts, the base and the cup. The base is specifically designed to fit different CNC machines on the market, ensuring compatibility with your current setup, while the cups are fully interchangeable. You can quickly switch between a wide variety of cups available in different surface sizes without ever touching the base. Whether you're machining delicate materials, irregular shapes, or heavy-duty workpieces, this system adapts to all your needs and your way of working. The cups are also available in different heights to suit specific jobs. Another option available to modify the height is the possibility of inserting an elevator between the base and the cup. In this way, you can have two heights available and the option to work in more ways. The cups can rotate 360 degrees and lock automatically in any position once the vacuum is activated, providing great versatility and reliability to your work. It is an extremely practical and efficient system to use, which allows a quick and safe replacement of the top rubber when it wears out. This rubber is Vacuum CNC tested for size and density for optimum performance. In addition, it offers the ability to easily adjust the suction area to suit different jobs. Thanks to its modular and intelligent design, there are significant time savings and up to 80% in rubber replacement costs compared to other suction cups available on the market. Even if major damage occurs, the base is not affected. Our valve system gives you even more control. Keep the suction cups in place on the table, even while working in other areas. No need to remove or reposition them. Keep the vacuum exactly where you need it when you need it. The same base is also compatible with additional devices, including horizontal clamps, door jamb clamps, modular nesting tables, and even more options, providing much more flexibility to your system. The manufacturing of special suction cups is one of our company's hallmarks, providing solutions to our customers' most complicated jobs. Built for speed, designed for adaptability, designed for any way of working, the Vacuum CNC system is not just a work-holding tool. It is an enhancement to your entire production process. Vacuum CNC is continually developing new products, and our technicians, along with feedback from our customers, provide new solutions to the vacuum clamping problems they face. Discover the difference. Visit vacuumcnc.com and take your CNC setup to the next level.